While the frame's at the powder coaters, we've got some more stuff we need to continue with, like getting this engine nice and clean again. So after all the months of us doing the jobs on the bike, it's a little bit worse for wear, lots of fuel spillages, lots of oil on it and sort of thing, and you can see it's just looking a little bit tatty now. So in this episode we're going to be painting the engine and giving it a total nut and bolt dress up kit. So first things first, we want to strip everything off the engine that we don't want painted. We need to mask the parts off and give it a good sand down and clean off because there's a bit of contaminants from oil and petrol and that sort of thing. So it's an easy little quick job, but yeah, let's just get stuck in. So now we've got the engine painted and all nice and fresh looking again, we can now put on the nut and bolt dress up kit. This should literally cover every single nut and bolt on the engine. This kit was about 15 quid off eBay. I'll put a link down below in the description if you've got one. But in the scheme of things, it's going to make things look so much nicer than what's already on there. So, and it comes with instructions, so that's a pretty big bonus in my eyes. Let's get it open.
It's a mystery to me how it all could happen. A puzzle I just can't solve. Since I'm out of tears, I resort to laughing. How did I ever get involved? It was a case of mistaken identity. I thought you were my love. I thought you were my love. Mistaken identity. I thought you were my love. I thought you were my Didn't know I was looking, but I must have been. 'Cause you got me cooking up a mind of sin. You were no good, and I was no better. Basking in your spotlight, too blind to see. It was a case of mistaken identity. I thought you were.
That that is it. We have the engine painted, we have the dress-up kit on. It looks so much better than I expected. We're just now waiting on the frame to come back from the powder coater so we can actually get that fitted. We do need some nuts and bolts for the actual frame mounts itself, but we'll be looking at it in the next video. So this has been a short and sweet video. I hope you like it. We've been doing 2 videos a week now for the past 2 weeks, and we're hopefully going to be continuing this up till the show. You know, this is time to crack on. We've got lots to get done, but as always, I'm going to try and bring you the videos. As always, merch link in the description. Like the video if you're new, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.